Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Deathloop multiplayer. To begin, you'll need to complete the game's initial tutorial section. Once that's done, head to the main menu where you'll find the option to dive into the multiplayer experience. You can choose to play as Colt, the main character, or take on the role of Juliana, the rival assassin. It's a dynamic system offering two distinct ways to engage with the game's unique loop. When you choose to play as Juliana, your primary objective is to invade another player's game and eliminate their Colt. This role is all about the thrill of the hunt and outsmarting your opponent. Successfully taking down Colt rewards you with valuable residuum and powerful gear to enhance your own arsenal. You can also customize Juliana's loadout, selecting different weapons and slabs to suit your preferred playstyle before each invasion. If you're playing as Colt, you might find yourself invaded by another player controlling Juliana. Your objective then becomes either to escape the area or to turn the tables and eliminate the invading Juliana. This adds an exciting, unpredictable layer to your single-player campaign. You have the flexibility to enable or disable these invasions in your game settings. Successfully defeating Juliana protects your progress and grants you valuable rewards. To excel in Deathloop's multiplayer, consider these strategic tips. Always utilize the environment to your advantage, whether for stealthy approaches or setting up ambushes. Master your chosen character's unique weapon and slab abilities, as understanding these is key to victory. Practicing both as Colt and Juliana will give you a deeper insight into each role's strengths and weaknesses, helping you anticipate your opponent's moves. Good luck out there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.